Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, you all see the title. So, family, I had to pull out what I feel are some underrated fragrances with a pear note, okay? You all know, you already know. Yo, sis loves a good old pear note, okay? I think I'm just in the trance with pear, okay? But I wanted to bring to you some fragrances I think just don't get enough shine as they need to. And if you have them, pull them out. If you love a good pear note, pull them out, okay? They are ready for you to wear and enjoy. And even if it's not the time for it, okay? Maybe you're saying like, okay, we're not there yet, sis. You know, we're not in spring and summer yet. You can still pull it out. I mean, you can do what you want to do. But, so let's start off with the Amorous Intense from Navitus in partnership with AI the Great. Honey, I feel like, I don't know if it's just me. Maybe it's just me. I might be the only one out on the line. I be in the little lonely tree in the nest like I'm a bird. I be the only one, okay? I feel like this is not talked about as much as I want it to, okay? This is your apple, pear, and almond. Like, I don't know why this is not like on the hype of the hype, you know? So we have Ambrosia Imperial, right? That, you know, AI the Great came up with. And I hear a lot more girlies talk about that fragrance. You know, nothing wrong with that. Love her life, you know, definitely. But Amorous Intense, I need y'all to pull this out. Like, especially to me, and I'm going to say it again, it gives me an initial spray very much like a Jolly Rancher, a green Jolly Rancher, right? But that apple like sauce type of thickness that's in this, and the pear, it is so good. And when I tell you, been wearing it and rocking and rolling with this and been cheating on my tray. I said I've been cheating on my tray with this. And this has definitely given me compliments. Men love this. I mean, I feel like they just want to eat me up, but they can't. But they feel like they want to eat me.
Somebody ought to put you on a plate and sop you up with a biscuit.
But this is so good. Okay, so if you haven't gotten your coins or your hands on this, trickle on down to Navitus and get this beautiful pear, apple, almond. Ooh, this is so good. Gourmand girlies, where you at? Like, please stand up. Please stand up and comment down below and let them know, okay? We need to put this out there, okay? And not because she's a black woman, but because it's amazing. Period, Pooh. Next up, if you are looking for a rose, fruity, aquatic, fresh scent, look no further, okay? I got you. And I am talking about Irresistible from Givenchy. When I tell you, if you have not, look. And again, okay, this is not the Dent station, okay, or channel. This is not a station because we're not on the radio, but we could be. The channel, this is not a Dent channel. I try my best, right? I really do, but it don't always happen like that. But that don't mean I'm not wearing it. I just have a lot of fragrances. Anyway, you don't even care. This is amazing, okay? If you're looking for a fresh rose, an aquatic feel, but you're looking for a pear note, I feel like all of the clean aesthetics, all of the like neutral girlies out there, if you don't have this in your collection, I'm not saying I'm questioning it, but I'm giving you the side eye. You know, it's a little interesting to me because this is so pretty. It's for the girly girls. It's for the fresh girls. It's for those that love a good, like, modern day rose, like not a heavy rose, right? Not a old rose, okay? This is like a new, fresh cut. Ooh, it's so good, okay? And then adding on the pear, change your life today, okay? Change your life and trickle on down to at this point, this can be in Dillard's, Nordstrom, anything you want, right? Help yourself and get this. This is so good. I feel like this is a very underrated pear, honey, in the community. I don't hear a lot of people talk about this. Maybe because it's a designer? But as soon as your sis, you know me. I don't know if I'll get to the bottom. We all have goals, right? So as soon as your sis empties this bottle, will I be repurchasing this? Absolutely. ASAP. Oh, this is amazing. Very underrated. And it lasts. Oh my gosh. And it lasts so smooth and good. It's like this fresh. Oh, I can't. Okay, we gotta move on because I would be here forever. Okay. Moving on. So sticking on the aquatic train, when I say, I have seen, people talk about this, but you're not hyping it up like it needs to be. I said it. I said it, okay? To each his own. I just need us to hype this up just a little bit more. Okay, so I'll start us off, okay? So this is Ocean Di Goia from Giorgioarmani. Honey, if you love a good pear, if you love a good, like, a little hint of a salt note, aquatic, lily of the valley, so you got your little white floral in there. Green notes, citrus. This is so good, okay? So if you like a good citrus, and this is beautiful. All year round beautiful. Like sometimes I don't like to get into aquatic scent in the winter, but when I just need a little bit of like vacation vibes, like you are, snowed in, honey, is the snow coming back? Like, can it remove itself from us? Anyway, snowed in and you're just like, take me on a vacation, or honey, work. Don't get me started. Work be working, and you like, get me on a vacation now before somebody get in trouble up in here, okay? And it be yourself, because you don't want to lose your job. Not right now. But, honey, I always pull this. This is so good and pretty. And this pear, this pear note, the freshness it's so good. I can't talk. I officially can't talk because with this and this, as far as like a fresh aquatic vibe, look no further. The only thing is this is like citrus and this gives you more of a rose. But they're both good. And this has a little of a salt note and it just takes you there. This is definitely vacation babe. Always have to take her with me because if I'm going to the island, this is what I want to smell like, okay? So trickle on down anywhere, girl. Dillard's, probably Sephora. It's somewhere for you, okay? This is so good, very good pear note, but I think it's underrated. We need to hype it. We need to do more. Facts. We need to do more. Hype it up a little bit more, okay? Okay. Girlies, put in the comments. Let the people know, okay? Thank you in advance. Warm regards. Next up, another aquatic, pear, fruity musk, okay? Because you all know I've been in my musk bag. So musk note is Pear Inc. by Juliettehasagun. When I say what I love the most about this, even though it is, it's fresh, it gives you aquatic, it gives you all those vibes, and the musk. Beyond the musk, and I smell it now. Beyond the musk, this ambroxan note, I just feel like the ambroxan note in this, it brings everybody to the yard like, ooh, what are you wearing? Oh my goodness, wow, what are you wearing? It brings those like, I don't know what you're wearing. It is so good, and I do not hear enough about Juliettehasagun Pear Inc. Why not? Why? Question mark, why? Did I even make a question mark? Question mark. Why? I mean, because the embroxing in this is so good, sis. Like, if you want like a pear fruity must, but like your skin, but better, like how I talk about, your skin, but better, pear and musk. I love it. I absolutely love this fragrance. Oh my goodness. If you love a good pear note, this is what you want. Trust me, the longevity in this, excuse me, who are you talking to? But it does sit close to skin after, like, I would say the 5-hour mark. It like definitely sits close to skin. But if they near you, they better watch out. Watch they back, because you ain't got to say nothing. All right? She does the talking. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, I should just call this video, honey, the fresh, underrated pear scent. I mean, that's what we're giving, okay? I have a good, fresh pear, but with vanilla. And the bottle, I will say, is ugly.
You sure is ugly.
I don't like the bottle.
You sure is ugly.
And the bottle cap, it always falls off, okay? I'm not a fan of the bottle, but the scent of it, 100% amazing. And I believe this might be discontinued, so you might have to search out for it. But if you find it, sis, pick it up, okay? And this is a celebrity fragrance. I'm talking about none other than Nickiminaj Onika.
Oh, yeah! Is it me, or was that the ugliest you have ever seen?
When now look at it. I don't like this part. It falls off every time, okay? But the scent, I don't know what Pink Friday smelled like. I don't know. And honestly, it doesn't matter. But this will remain, no matter what she would bring out, my favorite upon favorite. When I tell you we have a pear vanilla fresh scent. Who doesn't like pear, vanilla, and fresh? Like, you don't want to smell fresh? Questionable. Like, why are we here? Okay? We love a good fresh scent, okay? This has your pear, your mandarin orange, your orchid, right? Your sugar cane, your white musk, your cedar, so it gives you a woody note as well. This is so gorgeous, okay? Now the lasting power on this, it's about 3 hours, right? But what I will say, honey, just decant this, because I'm definitely not taking this in my purse. Who's taking this in their purse? You definitely not taking this in your purse, sis. But if you decant this, you're good. Like, go to the bathroom, fix your, makeup 1, 2, because you like got the, sauce all running on your face anyway, and you gotta, do your lip again for the date. Or maybe that was me. Okay, that's fine. But, this is amazing, okay? And then throwing on a good old vanilla and fresh and orchid and, oh, I love it. I love it. It just gives me, like, all the vibes that I need. Like, I love this fragrance, okay? So this is, again, Nicki Minaj, Onika. Pick it up. If you find it, grab it. Don't ask any questions. Just get it. Yo, sis, we in this together. I got you, okay? Moving on. Well, that's all, family, for I feel like my underrated pear fragrance, okay? What are some of your underrated fragrances that you don't hear a lot, that you love? I would love to know in the comments, even if it's not a pear or it doesn't have a pear note. Maybe you're not even into a pear note and you're just here to support your sis, which I love you for. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.